The UK tightened its lockdown restrictions on Wednesday as coronavirus cases there skyrocket and authorities tried to stop the spread of a new variant of the virus. British Prime Minister Boris Johnson announced that nearly 3/4 of Britain will be placed under Tier 4, the highest level of lockdown from Thursday onwards. He also urged people to stay home for New Year's Eve.
We've seen a 40% increase in cases in England in the last week alone, almost 15% more patients in hospital, more than at the peak of the first wave. And yesterday, sadly, we recorded almost 1,000 deaths across the UK for the first time since April.
Under the tougher limits, pubs, hotels and restaurants, as well as non-essential places like clothing shops, must close. And households cannot mix, with few exceptions. Areas that fall under Tier 4 include the Midlands, the North East, parts of the North West and parts of the South West, all joining London, already under the toughest restrictions since December 19th. Britain has suffered one of the worst death tolls in Europe. Health Secretary Matt Hancock warned that the country's hospitals face significant pressure and that the UK was heading for a, quote, catastrophe over the coming weeks if tougher measures weren't introduced. Scientists have confirmed the new variant of the virus is up to 70% more transmissible than the original. The government also said secondary schools would delay and stagger their reopening after Christmas to allow for testing, while some primary schools in the worst hit areas will stay closed.